Have you ever wondered why some women over 60 seem to have crystal clear vision and razor sharp minds, while others struggle with foggy thinking and declining eyesight? What if I told you that the difference might not be genetics or luck, but something as simple as what they eat for breakfast? New research from Rush University reveals that certain foods can literally reverse brain aging by up to 11 years and slash your risk of vision loss by nearly half. Yet 99% of women over 60 have no idea which foods these are or how to use them properly. One groundbreaking study followed nearly 1,000 older adults and discovered that those who consumed specific nutrients daily showed cognitive abilities equivalent to someone 11 years younger. That's not just staying sharp, that's turning back the clock on your brain. But here's the shocking part. The same compounds that protect your mind also guard your eyes from the leading cause of blindness in seniors. We're talking about foods so powerful that eating them just once a week cut the risk of severe vision loss in half. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 anti-aging superfoods that can restore both your vision and brain health after 60. These aren't expensive supplements or exotic ingredients you can't pronounce. These are everyday foods sitting in grocery stores right now, backed by decades of peer-reviewed research from Harvard, UCLA, and the National Eye Institute. Number 3 on our list contains a compound so potent it actually rebuilds the protective barrier in your eyes. And number 1 helped women regain the ability to read without glasses after struggling for 3 years. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments what challenges you're facing with your vision or memory. Are you noticing words becoming harder to read? Struggling to remember names or appointments? Now, without any further delay, let's start with the foods that can transform your health after 60. Number 7, dark leafy greens. Kale, spinach, collards, and broccoli might look like simple vegetables, but inside your body they work like precision medicine for your brain and eyes. These emerald powerhouses contain 4 specific nutrients that researchers have identified as brain folate and beta-carotene protectors, vitamin K, lutein. When scientists examined which foods had the strongest impact on cognitive decline, green leafy vegetables topped every single list. Here's what happens when you eat them. Lutein acts like internal sunglasses for your brain, reducing inflammation in memory centers. Folate literally blocks the formation of amyloid beta plaques, those toxic proteins that destroy brain cells in Alzheimer's disease. Vitamin K, which most people have never even heard of, maintains the structural integrity of neurons and keeps electrical signals firing smoothly between brain cells. But the vision benefits are equally remarkable. Your retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye, is one of the most lutein-rich areas in your entire body. That's not an accident. Lutein filters harmful blue light before it can damage delicate photoreceptor cells. It's like having a built-in shield protecting your sight from the inside out. The key is eating these greens consistently, not just occasionally. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides more lutein than most people get in an entire week. Steam them lightly to preserve nutrients, or blend them into smoothies if you struggle with the taste. Just don't overcook them because heat destroys the delicate compounds that make them so powerful. Number 6, fatty fish rich in omega-3s. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies contain the most concentrated sources of DHA and EPA, 2 omega-3 fatty acids that your brain and eyes literally cannot function without. Your retina contains more DHA than almost any other tissue in your body, and when levels drop, vision problems follow quickly. The Age-Related Eye Disease Study, one of the largest vision research projects ever conducted, followed thousands of people for over a decade. Those who ate fatty fish at least once per week had 50% lower rates of wet macular degeneration, the most severe form of age-related blindness. But eating fish twice weekly reduced the risk even further, by up to 60%. For your brain, omega-3s work differently, but just as powerfully. DHA maintains the flexibility of cell membranes and neurons, keeping electrical signals moving smoothly. EPA reduces inflammation throughout the brain, protecting against the chronic damage that leads to memory loss and cognitive decline. When researchers measured blood levels of omega-3s in older adults, those with the highest concentrations performed significantly better on memory tests and showed less brain shrinkage on MRI scans. The secret is choosing the right types of fish and preparing them properly. Wild-caught salmon provides nearly 2,000 milligrams of omega-3s per serving, while farm-raised contains less than half that amount. Sardines and anchovies, though less appealing to many people, actually contain higher concentrations because they're smaller fish that haven't accumulated toxins. If you can't stomach whole sardines, try mashing them into pasta sauce or mixing them with avocado for a brain-boosting spread. Number 5. Avocados. This creamy fruit contains a unique combination of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that specifically target age-related changes in women over 60. A recent Harvard study following over 110,000 people for 3 decades found that women who ate at least 2 avocados weekly had significantly lower rates of cardiovascular disease, which directly impacts brain blood flow and cognitive function. But here's what makes avocados especially powerful for vision. They contain lutein in a form that's more easily absorbed than what you get from leafy greens. The healthy fats in avocados actually help your body absorb and utilize lutein from other foods you eat at the same meal. It's like having in your favor. The A nutrient multiplier effect working skin benefits are remarkable too. And here's why that matters for your eyes. The delicate skin around your eyes is often the first place to show signs of aging and sun damage. A 2022 study found that women who ate 1 avocado daily for 6 months showed measurable improvements in skin elasticity and firmness around the eye area. Healthier skin means better protection for the sensitive structures underneath. Number 4, blueberries and dark berries. These tiny fruits pack more age-fighting power per ounce than almost any other food on Earth. The deep blue and purple colors come from anthocyanins, antioxidants so potent they can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly protect brain cells from the kind of damage that leads to memory loss and dementia. A groundbreaking study from Tufts University tracked the eating habits of nearly 3,000 people over 20 years. Those who regularly consumed anthocyanin-rich foods like blueberries, blackberries, and cranberries were up to 4 times less likely to develop dementia compared to those who rarely ate them. 4 times less likely. That's not a small difference. That's life-changing protection. For your eyes, berries work like tiny repair crews, strengthening the small blood vessels in your retina and protecting against the oxidative damage that leads to cataracts and macular degeneration. The vitamin C in berries also supports collagen production in the eye's structural components, keeping everything flexible and functional as you age. But timing matters. Research shows that eating berries with breakfast provides the most cognitive benefits throughout the day. The anthocyanins peak in your bloodstream about 2 hours after eating, which means morning consumption gives you optimal brain protection when you need it most. Number 3, walnuts and tree nuts. While all nuts provide healthy fats and protein, walnuts stand out because they're the only nut that contains significant amounts of alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that your brain desperately needs but cannot produce on its own. A UCLA study found that higher walnut consumption was directly linked to improved performance on cognitive tests, regardless of age, gender, or ethnicity. The researchers were so impressed by the results that they recommended walnuts as a simple intervention for maintaining brain health in aging populations. So there you have it, the 7 anti-aging superfoods that can literally turn back the clock on your brain and vision after 60. From the lutein-packed leafy greens that act like internal sunglasses for your retina, to the omega-3 rich fatty fish that rebuild neural connections, to the anthocyanin-loaded berries that protect against dementia. These aren't just foods, they're medicine disguised as meals. The science is clear. The foods are accessible. The only question left is whether you'll take action. Your brain and eyes are depending on the choices you make at your next grocery store visit. Don't let another day pass wondering what could have been. Start with just one of these foods tomorrow morning and begin your own transformation story. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these 7 foods are you most excited to try? Have you noticed improvements in your vision or memory since changing your diet? Share your experiences in the comments below because your story might be exactly what another woman needs to hear. And if this video opened your eyes to the power of food as medicine, make sure to share it with someone you care about. After 60, every day is precious, and every meal is an opportunity to reclaim your health. Thanks for watching.